Welcome to Simple Maths. Today we are discussing with Standard 10 Mathematics, chapter number 2, linear pair of equation. Pair of linear equation in two variable. Now you know that linear equation we are discussing in the standard 9 also. But now in this year we have to pair of linear equation means what? We have just two lines with combined to each other. Before we start, we must know about line segment. What is line segment? That is, it's a part of a line which have two end points. Let's check it. That is A and B. There are two end points. This is a line segment, and we just have a study of this line segment, but pairly. Before we start, we must know about that a graphical representation of this line. Graphical representation, that is a line on a graph paper. Standard 9 we are studied on the graph paper. So this is our graph paper, and on this graph paper we draw our axis, x axis, and our y axis. This is x axis and y axis. Now there are the coordinates. Which are the coordinates? It is from 0 to 9 from x axis, 0 to 9 from y axis. Now we draw a line on this graph paper. So this is our line. This is an first quadrant line, and this line cut many points on that graph. What are the points? That the points are 1 8, 2 7, 3 6, 4 5, then 5 4, then 6 3, then 7 2, then 8 1, and 9 0. So these points lies on the line and also lies on the graph paper. So 0 9 means what? X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 9. 1 8 is x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 8. So what is the similarities of this line or this coordinate? So when you just check it, so they just check the x coordinate and y coordinate having sum is 9. 0 plus 9, 1 plus 8, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5 are equals to 9. So that these points must satisfy the equation of line. So on these points, on these coordinates, we just check what is the equation of line. That equation of line is x plus y equals to 9, because all coordinates satisfy this equation. So you must know that every point on the line on that graph paper which satisfy the equation of line. Next, now this is then one line, but we want to study that pair of lines. Pair of lines means what? Two lines. But what is the linear equation? That linear means what? Degree is 1. But linear equation in two variable. There are two variable x and y. So the equation in that form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So here a, b, c are the constant, x and y are the variables. So there are two variables. So this is a linear equation in two variable. Now there is a condition that a and b both are not 0. That condition is called as, or that standard equation is called as a linear equation in two variable. Now if the two lines on that same plane, then what are the conditions? There are three conditions. There are three possibilities when we draw the two lines on a plane. First is what? The line intersect at each other. You know that the two lines when we draw on the plane, then they are intersecting at one point. So this is a common point. In a line, if the two lines are on a plane, that common points, that is a solution. So this is an one solution. Now the second condition is what? If the line does not intersect each other means what? Maybe they are parallel. You know that the parallel lines. Parallel lines means what? The lines when we draw on the plane which does not intersect each other at any point. So this is called as a parallel line. But what is the third condition? Third condition means what? Two lines are coincide. They lies on each other. So this is the first line. Now this is the second line. But this is coincide. So second line is cut and this is intersecting on a same way. So there are many common points, infinitely many common points. So this is called as an coincide lines. So there are three conditions. First is intersecting, second is parallel, and third is coincide. Now on this basis we have a solutions. That is, no solution means what? Two lines does not have any solution means the lines are inconsistent pair of lines, inconsistent pair of linear equation. If a pair of linear equation no solution, so it is inconsistent. But if it has a solution, then it is called as an consistent pair of linear equations. And now just check it. The two lines intersecting at a single point, that is an solution, it is called as a unique solution. Means what? It is an one and only one solution, that because of one and only one common point are there. And unique solution means what? Solution are there, so it is called as consistent pair of linear equation. Two lines intersecting each other at one and only point, it is called as a unique solution. Now second possibility is, that is an parallel. Parallel means what? Does not intersect each other, so no common points, so no solution. This is called as an inconsistent pair of linear equation, that is an parallel lines. So you have to study now. If a solution are there, then it is an intersecting line. If solution it is not there, it is called as an inconsistent or parallel lines. Now third is what? Coincides. So coincide means what? Here they have infinitely many common points. Infinitely many common points, so infinitely many solutions. This is called as a dependent consistent pair of equation. So these two lines are coincide each other, so they have infinitely many common points are there, and infinitely many common points are there, so it is called as a dependent inconsistent solution, dependent consistent solution. So on this basis we are going to study next point is what? So now this is an algebraic conditions we are studying. Let the lines are, first line is what? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. And what is the second line? Second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. There are two lines. Pair of lines means what? There are two lines. So the condition in algebraic form is, if the lines are intersecting means what? They have one and only one common point, unique solution, consistent lines. So the condition is the ratio of x coordinate, that is a1 by a2, is not equals to b1 by b2. And now if the lines are, again two lines are there and two lines are doing combined with other, the condition is what? Coincides. Coincide means what? Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions, the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. All the coordinates having same equal ratio. And the third condition is, if the two lines are parallel, then there is a condition a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Second line a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Then their condition is what? The ratio of x coordinate is equals to y coordinate, but is not equals to constant. That is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, but is not equals to c1 by c2. So this is called as a condition of parallel lines. Let me take a summarizely. Summarizely, we just taking a solution types of lines, conditions, algebraic conditions, and graphical representations. First, let me take a no solution means what? Lines are parallel. So lines are parallel means what? It is an inconsistent types, inconsistent solution. So what is the algebraic condition? That a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to C1 by C2. Now second is unique solution. Means what? Lattice is a consistent because it have a one solution, unique solution. So line is an intersecting lines, and the condition is A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, and the line which are intersecting each other. And a third point is, or third type is infinitely many solutions, that is an coincide lines. So types is dependent consistent because they have infinitely many common points are there. So two lines on exactly lies on each other, so the ratio are all same. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Hope so. You are all known of that pair of lines and their conditions. Today we are studying of three conditions are there. If lines are intersecting, means what? It is a consistent solution, and their algebraic conditions are there. If lines are parallel, then it is called an inconsistent solution, and they have algebraic conditions also. And the third part is, or third condition is coincide lines, that is two lines exactly lies on each other. Today we are studying of two lines and their conditions. In the next topic we are studying the examples also. Till then, goodbye.